Today we dive into stories where hate turns into something deeper. From fierce enemies to fiery lovers. These Turkish dramas will leave you breathless. Let's get started. 10 Kalpajna, the Counterfeiter. This series follows an honest man named Adam, who works as a regular clerk at the mint. His life takes a wild turn when he makes a surprise for his son, Arda. What seems like an innocent gesture soon leads to an irreversible downfall. Adam finds himself at risk of losing his job, his wife Kanan, and even his son. Things get worse when his charming yet cunning brother Kartal arrives. As the two brothers challenge the law, the only person who might bring about their downfall is Police Inspector Aise Kata. But a surprising encounter with Aise and Adam's growing love for her changes everything. To see if love can survive a life of lies, watch this drama. 9 Ayaz Sonu Guns, Here Comes the Sun. Guns is a young woman who just graduated from university and is ready to go to London to pursue her dreams. But when her brother is wrongfully imprisoned, she is forced to give up everything. Determined to save him, she infiltrates the life of Ayaz, a man she believes is responsible for her brother's fate. But Ayaz has no idea that his one mistake will cost him love. And maybe everything else. Guns gets entangled in a world of secrets, betrayal, and unexpected emotions. Can she hold on to her mission, or will love ruin her plans? Only one way to find out. Dive into this stormy love story. 8 Yan Oda, The Room Next Door. A famous TV presenter Sevik, whose career is fading, suddenly marries Fikret Talab, one of the country's most powerful businessmen. This unexpected marriage shocks everyone. Both Sevik and Fikret have had unhappy marriages in the past. Now, they want a second chance at happiness. But what brings their very different families together soon becomes the cause of chaos. Living under the same roof brings drama, secrets, and tension. Especially between their children, Talin and Selil, who are forced to share a home, and maybe more. What starts with a clash might end with a spark. Don't miss it. 7 Jelin, The Bride Behind the Veil. Having grown up without knowing her parents, the orphan Hunjar learned early on to fight life's battles. She has no one but her sick brother, and she's ready to do anything to save him. Meanwhile, Sihan, the heir to a wealthy family, accepts an arranged marriage suggested by his mother, Muqaddar. She believes Hunjar is the perfect girl to give her a grandson, to carry on their noble bloodline. Although Hunjar hates the idea, she agrees to the marriage to cover her brother's treatment expenses. But will a marriage born out of necessity blossom into something more? To see how two strangers fall in love under pressure, watch this one. 6 Gaddar, No Mercy. When his love breaks his heart, Dan thinks his life is over. He leaves home and signs up for the army. Years later, after serving in a special unit, he returns. But home is not what it used to be. His family is shattered. His neighborhood has turned dark, and old friends have changed. When his loved ones are put in danger, Dan must decide whether to leave it all behind or return to the darkness one last time. Can love pull him out of the shadows? Watch and see. 5 Yal Captain, Golden Boy Kingfisher. At the heart of this drama lies a powerful family headed by Halis A. Though his grandson Ferret runs most of the business, Halis still makes all the big decisions. But Ferret is irresponsible and carefree. Having just returned from abroad, he continues to live recklessly. Halis can no longer tolerate Ferret's behavior. So, he tasks his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding Ferret a good wife. This news shocks the entire Kazım mansion, especially his daughters, Suna and Seyran, who now see this as a golden chance to rise in status. But Ferit's marriage will ignite more than just family drama. It will set off a battle of hearts and wills. Can two rivals find love behind the mansion walls? Tune in to find out. 4. Uzak Sahir, distant city. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her young son to fulfill her late husband's last wish. But her arrival marks the beginning of a one-way journey. She has entered the world of the Albora tribe, and its powerful leader, Sihan Albora, is not willing to let her go. He refuses to let Alia take her son and leave. With buried secrets, family pressure, and a harsh reality surrounding her, Alia is caught in a fierce power struggle with her late husband's family. Can she escape the web before it's too late? To uncover the truth buried deep in tradition, this is the one to watch. 3. Bir Sevdadır, a passion. In southeastern Turkey, a 17-year-old girl named Yesil is raped by her uncle's son and becomes pregnant. Just before being forced to marry him, a soldier named Ersin kidnaps her. But their escape doesn't last long. The groom and his family catch up. Ersin is killed, and Yesil, in a moment of rage, kills the groom. She ends up in prison and gives birth to her 2 children behind bars. Years later, Yesil is released. But she knows Tufan, the head of the tribe, won't forgive what happened. To protect her children, she devises a risky plan. She approaches Ersin's family and claims that Ersin was the father of her children. Can one lie protect a mother's love? Watch this powerful journey. To Sene Hayatma, My Wonderful Life. From the shimmering skylines of Dubai to the sun-soaked shores of Miami, this drama follows the bold and brilliant Shabnam, once a scholarship student bullied by the rich and even her teachers. No one believed she'd make it. But with a little plastic surgery and a lot of ambition, she rises to the top of high society. Married to a wealthy man named Noor, she now enjoys luxury and fame. But just as everything seems perfect, ghosts from her past resurface. Will her picture-perfect life survive the storm? Every lie has a price. Watch to see how she pays hers. 1. Hududsuz Sevda, boundless love. Khalil is a man with only one mission, revenge. When Rijwan murders his father, Khalil's life becomes about destroying him. He becomes a one-man army, breaking into Rizwan's criminal empire. But his journey brings him unexpected allies, including Rizwan's own daughter, Zeynep. As Zeynep tries to leave behind her illegitimate past, she finds herself caught between loyalty and love. Will Khalil's need for revenge destroy them both? To see if vengeance can lead to love, don't skip this one. Which of these dramas will you be watching first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell icon so you never miss another Turkish drama masterpiece. See you in the next video.